what's going on? I'm Angie, the plant loving mom, and today I'm going to show you how to grow microgreens from things I bought at the Dollar Tree. I got these seeds at the Dollar Tree. They were 4 for $1. I chose Swiss chard, radish, sunflower, and broccoli. I've had all of these as microgreens before and enjoy this mix. First, you'll need a container that you had lettuce in. Take your lid off, and I've already pre-cut one side. You need to cut a slit like this on each side. So I'm going to do the other side right now to show you. See this? This is just the basis of your self-watering system. Now you're going to put water into your container. I've already done this, and you're going to put the lid on. Then you're going to pre-wet your cheesecloth. I've already done this. It's about 18 inches long. And you're going to just push the ends through where you cut. Just be careful as you're doing that. You want the cheesecloth to be in the water on both sides. This is how it'll wick water up and keep your seeds nice and moist. Okay, you're also going to pre-moisten 2 paper towels. This is double thick, and I am going to lay it right on there. Now I'm going to sprinkle the seeds on. Now that you have your seeds planted, you are going to need to place this out of direct sunlight. So either in your dark pantry, or you could cover it with a little bit of a plastic lid that creates darkness. Seeds need darkness to sprout. It's been 2 weeks, and here are my Dollar Tree microgreens. This whole thing was just $3 worth of seeds. I'd like to remind you to be like the Stegosaurus and eat more plants. Keep growing, everybody.